Fans of Ex Machina and Annihilation should check out Alex Garland's next film, Men, which centres on a woman being stalked by an unknown entity. Gerard Butler also returns to the big screen with Last Seen Alive, where he plays a husband searching for his missing wife. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and the rest of the GCC this weekend. Don't forget, click on the link below to see our full list across all streaming services. Alex Garland returns to the director's chair in this horror drama. When a personal tragedy forces Harper to retreat to the English countryside, she soon realises that she's being stalked by someone or something. What follows is an unsettling nightmare that she might not be able to escape. Men is releasing in cinemas in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Egypt on June 2nd. Will Spann seemingly lives the perfect life with his wife, but that changes when his wife suddenly vanishes at the gas station. Taking the law into his own hands and the desperation to find his wife leads him to go down a dark path and go on the run from the authorities. Starring Gerard Butler, Last Seen Alive is releasing in cinemas in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Egypt on June 2nd. Celebrate the 20th anniversary of the second movie in the popular franchise as Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets returns to cinemas this week. In the film, Harry starts his second year at Hogwarts and faces a new threat in the form of a mysterious creature that lurks behind the walls. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets returns to UAE and Saudi Arabia cinemas on June 2nd. The R-rated superhero series hit returns with a third season and continues the misadventures of heroes, villains, and everything in between. The new season will also explore the Vought Corporation's origins and introduce a new Captain America-esque hero named Soldier Boy. The Boys Season 3 streams on Amazon Prime Video on June 3rd. Following the first season's events, Sheila Rubin faces new obstacles after successfully opening her first fitness video. She now struggles to stay loyal to her husband and is infatuated with a new real estate mogul, along with meeting new competition that threatens the success of her newly built fitness empire. Rose Byrne returns for Physical Season 2 that streams on Apple TV Plus on June 3rd. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all of our new videos.